it's all about? And the answer is, and we just saw in last week's Parsha, if you take a look, in Parshas V'eschanan, it mentions about 10 times the fact that when Hashem gave the Torah on Har Sinai, He gave it with fire. Fire, fire, fire. Ki yoreisa mipnei ha'esh, you were afraid of the fire. Look at the psukim, you'll see it's mentioned again and again. The answer is, there are two kinds of fear. When a person is afraid of things they're not supposed to be afraid of, when a person focuses their fear, their respect on Hashem, if they respect Hashem and they direct that fear, that awe to Hashem, the person will not have to be afraid of anything else. They won't be afraid of dogs, of animals. They won't be afraid of the IRS. They won't be afraid of their husband, their wives, their husband. Person won't be afraid. The yira is not nislapesh in anything else. If a person focuses the yira in the right place, if they address 100% of this yira in the right direction, then there's none left for the wrong things. When the yira is misplaced, when it's in the wrong place, it shortens a person's life. It takes away. When the yira is directed towards Hashem, the pasuk says, Yiras Hashem toisif yomim. That fear of Hashem adds life. It adds to a person's days. And Rabbi Nachman's Talmud points out, we see this. We know that Yira is mentioned as the first item in Yiddishkeit. Reishis Chochma, Yiras Hashem. Step one in learning about Hashem, in having the proper consciousness, is Yira. We have a holiday that's the beginner's holiday, Chanukah. Chanukah is Miloshin Chinuch. Chanukas Habayis. Chanukah is the beginning. Chinuch means teaching small kids. On Chanukah we have something extraordinary. They had a vial of oil, a one-day supply of oil. We know that when you light a fire to something, fire destroys. Everybody knows that. Fire kills, fire destroys. They lit a fire to this one-day supply of oil, and what happened? It became an 8-day supply. It burned for 8 days. Yiras Hashem toisif yomim. There's a certain kind of fire that not only doesn't it destroy, not only doesn't it shorten the life, but it adds to the person's life. And that's this Yiras Hashem. They're going to be davening Marav here shortly. We'll pause for Marav, and after Marav we'll continue with questions, thoughts, or continuation.
Thank you.